Today I'm doing filler in the hands, and this is a really easy in-office procedure, and it makes a huge difference when you are looking at your hands because it makes the hands look even younger. And the type of filler that we're using is one that will make you make collagen, so bonus. So I've already put some lidocaine right here and made a little tiny bleb so our patient doesn't feel this. And I'm gonna just make a little channel. Perfect. I like to use cannula for doing hands. And we're gonna go just across. And we're gonna fill like so. Easy peasy, nice and breezy. And it works right away because it's filler. Then it's gonna make her make collagen, which is great. This is why wouldn't we want collagen? Typically, lift your hand up a little and bend it a little forward for me. We usually will use 1 syringe per side, and it should last you a year. And I don't know, does this feel okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the nice thing about a cannula is that it's less of a risk of bruising. And as I'm gliding through your skin, just with the blunt tip of the cannula, it's irritating your fibroblasts to make collagen because I'm irritating the cells as I go by them. So just the fact that we're doing it this way will help you make collagen, which is great in my book. And slowly. You're doing so good. Let's go this way. And then afterwards, she'll be a little puffy for a day or two. And then that will go away. I'm like, beautiful. And I always tell all my patients that I have one aunt whenever I go home. She always wants me, whenever I go home to visit my folks, she always wants me to bring filler for her hands. So it's really, it's the only thing she wants me to do, just bring the filler for the hands. You're doing okay? Yeah. Some people like to do it from in between the knuckles. That's how they teach you how to do this. I like to do, and then they use a needle. I personally don't love needles, either in my face or in my hands. And if I can get away without a needle, I will take that time to do it without a needle. Okay, perfect. Looks pretty. Look at how great that looks.